Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a company page on LinkedIn. So if you are a small business owner and your company is not already listed on LinkedIn, what you can do is go ahead and create your own company page. So if you look at my screen over here, I'm just going to show you how you can go ahead and do this. It's a pretty simple process. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your home page. So you log into LinkedIn like I am right now. You just go ahead and click on home. I'm already on the home page now. And what you're going to do is you're going to come over down here where it says business services, but I'm going to zoom in for you right now a little bit more. So down here to the right hand side, we're going to see a section. Actually, I'm too far zoomed in here. I'm going to come back out, but you'll see a section called business services, and I'm going to click there. And as you'll see right here, there's a section that says create company page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create company page, and I'm going to create one for LinkedIn Mastery course since it does not exist right now. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to put in LinkedIn Mastery course. We're going to have the URL. So now we set the public URL for the course page, and I want that to be linkedin.com/company/LinkedIn Mastery course, and then I'm going to click on create page. And it's as simple as that. That's all you have to do to create the page. And now we're going to get some instructions here, and I'm going to click on get started to get into the details here. So now I can build out my my cover photo. I can put in my logo, and I can continue to build out each section here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the company description. I've already grabbed a little bit of copy that I've already copied over from another document, and I've gone ahead and pasted that there. I can go into specialties and put in a few specialties, like we'll put in like LinkedIn marketing. Actually, these are just pluses, so I'm going to put in like LinkedIn marketing. We're going to put in just LinkedIn, and I mean we'll just add a few of these right now, but LinkedIn marketing. I might even put in online marketing, and then maybe I come in here and I put in like social media marketing and client relations management. Yeah, I mean things like this. So I'm just going to putting in a few of these, a few ideas there. You could add up to 20 for your company page, and then you can put in your address. So I'll just go ahead and put in my current address right now, and so I'll just throw that in here. I'm not in Cambodia, but the US, if it shows up here eventually. There it is, United States. We're in California. I'm currently in Camarillo, so I'll throw that in there, and then we'll throw in the website URL, which is the link back to my company page. The company size, just say 2 to 10 employees, and then we're going to look at our industry. So you're going to go through this list. You're limited to this list of industries here. I'm going to look for some kind of online marketing or social media management. So let's see, do they have social media? They do not. Do they have online? They have online media. So online media, I think, is appropriate. So I'm going to pick that. We were founded in 2017. And the company type is a partnership. And then featured groups. And we're not going to have any featured groups right now, but I'm just going to kind of go in here, and I can grab a logo. So I have a logo somewhere in here. Let's see if I can find one. What is that? Untitled design. That one looks good. Does that fit? Now I have a logo, and I can do a background photo. So if you haven't watched my Canva training on how to create a background photo, I would suggest watching that. But you can create a background photo right there. I'm going to change this, but I mean we created one in the prior module that is not really good. Doesn't quite fit, but it's going to fit. So it's like social media, marketing, web. So it's not really something that I want to be my LinkedIn cover photo, but just for now, I'm just showing it for the purpose of this presentation. And lastly, I need to just find, let's see where we are here. Come up here, drag to reposition. So I don't want to actually use that for now. So I'm just going to publish it without a background photo for the time being. Something went wrong. Please refresh. Let's try it again here. All right, so let's try to refresh the page and hope that we didn't lose anything. And we did. We lost a bunch of stuff. So let's just try to publish first, and then we'll do some edits. Okay, changes were saved successfully. Let's put in the copy. We'll kind of go one at a time here. Changes were saved on the copy. And let me get my address in here. Okay, come back to the website URL. This might be the issue here because I didn't grab the URL. Oftentimes what they want is you to actually grab the URL. So once it loads up here, I can actually come to it and then copy. So instead of just typing www, I'm going to grab it like this, paste it in like this. Let's try to save this now. Publish. There we go. So all the changes are taking now. And then I'll kind of complete what I was doing here. So we have the partnership. We had gone with the online media company. We had set it at 2 to 10 employees. And let's save that. Let's get my logo back up here, which was, I think that was the one we're using. Publish that. Awesome. And then we'll just add a few specialties again, so you can kind of just follow this process again since I'm just demoing it one more time. So, I mean, this is the idea, though. You're just kind of coming in here, you're adding your specialties, you're adding your information, you're getting your business page set up here. And this is how you create a company page. And now what's awesome about this, I mean, I'm just going to put in those 4 for now. Again, I can update it later. Again, I've published, but now what I want to do is now we also have that the URL was set as LinkedIn Mastery Course. But if I come over here, we can look at updates, and we can manage and do company posts over here. We can go into analytics. I can look at who's visiting this site right here, and so forth. So this is kind of a company page. Now, if I come back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over to my my main profile. So it's going to load up here in a second. And what I'm going to do is I want to add this to my work experience, right? So I'm going to come back to my profile. I'm going to click on View Profile. And now I already had LinkedIn Mastery Course on my profile. But now when I search it, there it is. Now it populates where I can actually click on it and it'll link back to the company page. So that's the idea. So and this way you can get your logo on there for a company. So now I have my logo there. I have the description uploaded here. I have a link to the website where you can register for the webinar. I have a link to the video that explains about the course, and that's how to get your company page on LinkedIn. So I hope that was useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video module training.